Hello, thank you for watching my video. My name is Nate, but I mainly go by Kuma Crochets. Hopefully I can share what I've learned about crocheting amigurumis to help you with your plush projects. If you enjoy free patterns or crochet content, please check out my website in the description below. My website has all my socials from Instagram, Twitter, and Discord to stay updated. I'll also be linking all the tools and materials that I use for my projects, which are also in the description, from yarn, hooks, and accessories. Let's get to it. Today, I'll be teaching you how to do a turning chain. We have our project right here. This is what I'm using to demonstrate. So instead of working into the project like we normally would, this is how I would do a turning chain. You chain once, and you turn your work so that your hook is in front of the project. You don't want to turn it in the opposite direction, where your hook is behind the yarn. You want the hook to be in front of your yarn. The way you can tell is when you naturally hold your yarn, you'll see the yarn coming from the back. This is the correct method right here. This is the incorrect method right here, because you're putting the yarn in front of the hook. And that is a turning chain. And from there, what you can do is work into the next stitch as instructed. So, using a single crochet, another one, and another one. So now you have this. And let's do another turning chain. Chain once, then we flip it so that the yarn is behind our hook, and now we can work into the next stitch right here. Next stitch again. Next one.